Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what matters most. The clear title, VIN, and any lien release. This is non-negotiable. Once done, pull a vehicle history report and compare local listings to set a realistic dollar range. Make sure to note mileage and condition. Then take immediate action. Do basic maintenance, photograph receipts, and create a short written summary for buyers. This first push accelerates trust and prevents stalls later, so don't delay. Gather these items now and move on to listing. Now you build visibility and protect time. Post a clear ad with 8-12 photos, key specs, and recent service notes. State preferred contact hours. Once responses arrive, screen callers, confirm real interest, payment method, and a safe viewing time so you avoid no-shows. During negotiation, state a slightly higher asking price and expect to settle within 5–10%. Explain how receipts and inspection justify your number. This keeps the process efficient and positions you to close confidently. Finish by verifying payment and completing paperwork. Sign the title per state rules, provide an odometer disclosure, and draft a bill of sale that lists price, date, and both parties' names. Once funds clear, remove plates if required and notify the DMV. If things go wrong, like payment issues, pause, keep all texts, receipts, and photos, and contact your DMV for next steps. You may need mediation or small claims. This final sequence protects you legally and seals a clean private party transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.